I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: tools, stamina items, and a basic base. Once done, map a metal-rich area. You need predictable node spawns to scale. Make a simple loop. Mine a node, return to your refining forge, smelt, then restock tools. Do this immediately to stack refined metal instead of raw ore. Make sure to place your base near the resource to minimize downtime, and prioritize collecting coal or wood so refining never stalls. Now you scale extraction by using the right mounts and routes. You'll want a Dodecurus or Ankylos because they yield more metal and save time. Once mounted, hit high-density nodes in a loop to avoid backtracking. Make sure to carry spare tools and weight reduction armor so you can haul more metal per run. Also, stagger refining. While one batch smelts, you're out mining the next cluster. This overlapping process is how you turn steady runs into effectively unlimited. Finish by automating smelting and organizing output so you don't bottleneck. You should stagger inputs across multiple forges and use labeled boxes to track batches. This keeps production continuous. If nodes feel depleted, move 1,000 meters away or log out to trigger respawns. This simple reset often fixes slow respawn issues. And if tools break mid-run, replace them from reserves or use repair kits. With these final steps, you'll sustain near unlimited metal flow reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.